What up, YouTube? It's Sunday and you already know what time it is. Me and the partner, we on our way to go do our first install of the day. We got a carrier, 2.5 ton that we're installing, replacing a Goodman. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button, show support, because if not, it'll be at your ass.
Let's go.
What up, guys? It's another Sunday and we back out here ready to install another AC and coil. Me and the partner. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't feeling it, but we can make it do what it do, alright? So let me walk out back and show you what we got. So we're gonna be running a new 2.5 ton AC carrier, replacing this Goodman line set and all. So we got Marcus, he's backing down the system right now, so we can go ahead and get these lines cut. And show you what we got here on the inside. Alright, so we see we got a line set running right back here. And we got a downflow. That's gonna be the only thing. We might see if we can undo that. Alright. We'll see. I'm about to measure that, because I may just unbox it. Just because this furnace sitting on top. I don't have no way to support this furnace to stay up. So we may just see if we can unbox that down there. So you can see the line set running all the way through behind the washer and dryer. Gonna knock it out regardless, you feel me? So stay tuned.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, your man a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about, watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got
Then look, come back 2 minutes later, we see a whole fire in here. I'm just playing. I'm joking. she looked up like, oh, shit. I'm just joking, man. Chill out. Alright, if you're new to this channel, on this channel we talk about everything HVAC related. Doesn't matter if we talking tech tips, we talking DIYs, whatever it may be, guys, I'm here for you. You hear me? Make it work. Alright guys, still working on this line set. I'm ready to try to unbox this coil, see if I can slide him on right off in there, you feel me? Because that's just gonna be the easiest way. And I ain't saying I like to always take the easy way. I'm just saying that furnace, I don't know if I, I don't know if I could be able to hold that furnace up, and I don't want to uninstall that furnace. I don't even think they charge him enough to uninstall the furnace to put the coil in there. So, like I said, I think I'm gonna do it like that. We're running this new line set. He should be Gucci on that. What I come out here to get? Came out here to get my gloves. Left the gloves out here. But how y'all think I did on that braze job? You think I did a good job on the first little braze joint? Give me a thumbs up, man. One time. And then go inside your head.
Life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on a nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. Ooh, I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Ooh, who gave you pills, who gave that dust, put on Central in the lick. Ooh.
Yeah, they'll want you to.
Too many convicts, they enrolled me to play in this shit. Ooh, round about nonsense, get old summer spreading this bitch. Ooh, they had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. Ooh, I'm on the PJ lining it up, backwood from the sticky. Ooh, I'm trying to tote that Drake on London, and it's extended. Ooh, they gotta stretch a nigga, how we gon' die for this shit? Ooh, yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. Ooh, we some poor, high class niggas, made it, we rich. Yeah, I was at the band though, got a penthouse for a closet. Ooh, it's like a shando, live on my neck, my wrist. Ooh, I got pink toes that talk different languages. Ooh, got promethazine in my blood and Percocet.
Man, I ain't gonna even front. This shit sitting in the middle of the hood. I've been serving fiends, get my racks. About to buy me some studio time, make me a song.
What?
Yeah.
For real?
I'm about to go big.
You can't spit. For real?
I got bars, fool.
Man, you need a hard video.
If I do the video, you got directed. You got the vision.
Don't gas me up.
You gonna be bigger than Lil X. You see how his videos be popping, nigga.
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. That's by the time I call her Serena. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat though, claret the pinky. All fat though, we order the Fiji. I'm in the loop with the voo, I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you working? I put your face to the news, I put the puss on the shirt. After I murked it, make him go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird. Nigga's birthday and you a maniac, a fucking alien. How you spurting? Got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with that. Going Birkin. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, cause it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Yeah, 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. 100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger. Put!
Voila, magic, voila, magic, voila, magic, voila, magic. Bitch telling not the parking lot, leaving magic. Sipping on the me in the yellow, drinking magic. On my way to Aspens, I forgot to do my tax. Call my accountant, he gon' make it do magic. Had to get a driver jet to drop me at the airport. Where this man, I burn him up like new. $50,000 on superstar attire. KE and Young Future bringing them fire. All this damn cash make me wanna retire. Gotta drop a half, you wanna put me on the flyer. Excuse me, but my name go crazy. CD diamonds ain't none unforgiving. Too bad, me the greatest. AMG in a brand new Mercedes. Turn out the light, I'ma do a 180 for the haters. I'ma go ahead do a 360. Drinking on the Sprite, got it all in it. I'm an astronaut, better church my pimple. Bitch selling out the parking lot, leaving magic. Too bad, then I got 'em out of magic. The way I made it, disappear, call it magic. Sipping on the in the yellow, drinking magic. Voila, magic, voila, magic, voila, magic, voila, magic. Bitch telling out the parking lot, leaving magic. Sipping on the in the yellow, drinking magic. Billionaire boy, that's a true inspiration. I'm the astronaut kid, no such thing as limitation. Round down 20 in the motivation. Just left magic in the motivation. 2 trillion.
Alright, getting ready for the pressure test. Let's get about 250 in there. Unless we hear it sizzle before we even, you feel me? If we hear it sizzle as soon as it get on there, then we ain't gonna just go ahead and take him off and leave. The thing's still out?
Yeah,
okay.
straight right there, bro.
Okay. Yeah, this right here, don't worry about it. Just lock it. You know, if it's closed, then you ain't got, you know, it ain't, the leak ain't coming from there. Yeah, just leave it right there.
Oh, shit. Shut up fast, dude.
Right. So I say we have enough air in there. We're gonna let it stay. That's holding 300 too. If that thing hold 300, give it at least about 5-10 minutes while we're working on everything else. And we good. That's cool too, because I didn't even try hard on that first braid. I just knew that was gonna be a leak. That's 300. That would definitely show.
Feel good down right there.
Just professional, I guess. Just professionalism is all I call it. Yes, sir. Let's see. There is the line set. He's brazed in. The best we gonna get with that bad boy. And he look good. Like I said, you see that? Casing that bad, uncased him. Put him in like that. He's good. He is Scoochie.
My will. I'm hand shooters loading pistols while I'm brushing my teeth. I get so many death threats, it's getting normal to me. But I bend, don't break, I don't ask, just take. Black gloves, black tape, and I'm
A quick recap where we at now. So we got this bad boy on the vacuum. We're gonna let him ride while I'm in here working on the rest of the stuff. As you can see, partner got the outside done. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Let this thing sit on vacuum. I'm gonna work on getting this coil good secure. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you. So you can see where that's gonna end. Pan that little gap right there. Pan that. We good. Good airflow coming up through there all the way side. We good. Got our armor flex on our line. We all brazed in. Put a little clean out right there just cause.
Go. I ain't never ran from a nigga. No, I ain't never. If I did, cut my legs off right now. I ain't never been with the whole talk, snitch talk, always talking about his fault. Yeah, I'm a stand-up nigga, got my bands up, nigga. You don't wanna see me pissed off. Real talk. Never tell a lie to a bitch, dog. When it come to them, you gotta play it raw. And I never ever let the fuckery get to me. Why not? Niggas ain't worth my energy. What you had to do? Cut them off, make them feel it. I ain't dealing with nothing if it don't make sense to me. Never ever ever. I never ever ever go against my kind for some niggas on the other side. Never ever ever. I never ever ever put a bitch for the money, gotta get it when it come to mine. Lately I feel like it's me versus me. Don't seek competition, why would you compete? Don't even gotta be woke, still gonna be up. I make a bag in my sleep, can't get the hood out of me. You know where I be, still posted up like I lease. Trust me, them choppers gon' bang, cavity teeth. You better not think this shit sweet. If the bitch bad, put a stack in her rack. I'm Dr. Seuss, give me cat in the hat. Booty poke out of her stomach on snatch. Way too pretty to be fucked from the back. Count on some money, then smoke me a plant. This shit got me higher than John Morant. Up there, toss it.
Yo, keep it a buck. We love that sound. That's the best sound when it comes to this shit.
Oh, yes, sir.
Man, it's always this side right here that's acting up and don't want to fucking open up. God dang, man. Just open. Shoot. Shit ridiculous.
I don't know, that's always gotta be hard to open.
Sure. Make sure I'm not come through Whirlpool.
Give me some. I had to hit something hard. I just want to hit this down.
Right. I thought a couple of bangs might help push it down further in there so I can catch something. No, sir.
You killing me, man!
Yeah, see, I went ahead and just grabbed my little set of hex keys, gave it a couple of tap, and we open. See, keep one of these on deck. Have one of them on backpack in case that service wrench act up, because you come across some units that just don't want to act right. Maybe the liquid line, you never know, but sometimes they don't act right. Shit. You see, popped in the disconnect. No action, it ain't come on. Let's find out why. Okay, so we got power. We got voltage running through the disconnect. So the unit should be coming on. But no. So let me check it out. Let's pull this panel off its condenser and check and see. There can only be one thing. High voltage can't be to the contactor. It can't, because the unit would be on. And that's exactly what it was. It's full.
Oh, get a nigga a check.
An eternity later.
Well, put the disconnect in there. Damn. Oh my God. Put it in there. Hurry up. Oh Lord, thank you. That action, Jackson. Let go. Alright guys, so we're winding down. Just about finished with the install. Got this thing been running for about 15 minutes in AC mode, so let's take a look at the pressures and see what we got. I'll come back and check that subcoil here in a second. And now let's go check the temperature on this vent. See, we're about 53 degrees on there. All right, guys, let's wrap up. Go ahead, pack up our tools and get on the damn. What's all that? Yeah, it's a wrap, boys. Let's get up out of here.
Burning and stuff now.
And burnt myself.
All right, YouTube. I appreciate everybody to watch this video to the end. Definitely appreciate the support. We checking out right now, baby. We just finished our install. We are headed back to the shop, get this truck cleaned off. Job went smooth, but we are gonna have to come back. You see, it's only 55 degrees here in Kentucky. And as you may know, it's hard to check a system by subcoil and guarantee that the pressures and everything is accurate whenever there's no load on the house and it's 55 degrees outside. So we're gonna schedule to come back and check the charge on that. The line set was probably only about 10 or 15 feet, so I'm positive that it's not overcharged or undercharged. So like I said, we have to come back and we will just check it just to be 100% safe, okay? Peace.